Welcome to Employment Quick Tips. I'm Susan Raymond and Robin Westbrook is here with me. We're both on the Employment Assistance Team here at the Airman Family Readiness Center located at Shepherd Air Force Base. Robin, can you share a little bit about what we do here?
Absolutely. I am always happy to share our mission. Our employment team offers support for military spouses and transitioning service members by providing career counseling and classes. We assist with job searches, resume writing and reviews, and we can help improve interviewing skills. We even can give mock interviews. Be sure to like our Facebook page. We announce our upcoming classes here, and every Monday and Thursday, Susan and I post our hot jobs in the local area for our clients. I'd like to give some kudos to Susan for recently obtaining her professional resume writer certification from the Professional Association of Resume Writers and Career Coaches. Congrats, Susan, on deepening your knowledge and ability to serve our clients. Susan, would you like to share our latest news from our center?
Yes. So, as you can see, we have a new addition to our screen today. We have started a Shepherd Air Force Base Airman and Family Readiness Center YouTube channel. Check out the channel by using the QR code listed here. We'd love to have you subscribe to our channel and please give us some feedback. Today, let's talk about a fabulous resource that is now available to anyone with base access.
We are really excited that all of our customers can now attend the Department of Labor Employment 2-day workshop. Whether you are a transitioning service member, military spouse, veteran with base access, or dependent looking to become employment ready, this workshop will assist you in considering your career goals and how to position yourself for future success while developing your resume, networking skills, interview techniques, personal branding tips, and job search strategies.
That sounds like some really great information. This training has been available to our Transition Assistance Program TAP clients for a couple years, but we really want to get the word out that now anyone can attend. As Robin mentioned, learning how to navigate the civilian labor market allows you to utilize your knowledge, skills, and abilities in an occupation that supports your values and provides you with a paycheck.
The Department of Labor Employment Workshop curriculum is modern and relevant to all of our job seekers. Some of the objectives taught in the class include how to market yourself efficiently to a future employer, creating a professional introduction, learning how to use the STAR method to write achievement statements, strategizing how to expand your network, how to evaluate a job offer, and learning the basics in negotiations.
That's a lot of amazing information that is going to be presented in these workshops. We will be facilitating this workshop each month, and here is the flyer for our next workshop.
We have so many employment classes. Please sign up for as many of them as you can to assist you in your employment journey. And if you can attend, please contact us to schedule a one-on-one appointment. Susan, would you like to tell them about all of our other employment classes coming up?
Sure. Here is the schedule of all of our upcoming employment classes, and there's a lot. If you would like to sign up for any of our classes, please give the center a call, or you can email Robin or I. Thank you for joining us today. In addition, if this is your first time joining us, please go back and check out our previous Employment Quick Tips. And don't forget, subscribe to our new Airman and Family Readiness YouTube channel for Shepherd Air Force Base. Thank you.